I'll whip my hair back and forth. I'll whip my hair back and forth. Okay, no. But seriously though, these braids are a vibe, and I'm gonna show you the whole process of me getting them done. Hey guys, it's your channel, aka Nelly B, and I am here at Passion4Braidz. Now, I usually protective style once a year, and it's long overdue. Y'all, be warned. Passion is a character, and what you just saw is a clear indication of the silliness that was to come after. Because I didn't put any braids in my hair all for 2021, so I guess we're doing it now for 2020. Okay, so what did we just spray in my hair? Because that smells amazing. Masani milk. Masani milk. I know I've never used anything from Masani, so you could tell me a little bit about like the brand and what products from them that you use.
I use the Masani milk for detangling my natural hair
Mm-hmm.
and I use the Masani cheese
Pretty braids after.
for finishing. Give me that love for sure.
So some people don't like the idea of blow drying their hair before they braid. I personally don't mind, but what is your reason, Passion, for doing the blow drying before we braid?
Okay, my reason is for softening the hair, not straightening the hair at all. You know, because it helps you to move faster while braiding. Because if the hair is like tangled, you know, you'll be fighting up to parts and you know all these things. So it's just basically to soften the hair on a cool heat, not a hot. Nothing too hot to say. Well, you know, some people say you'll get heat damage if you blow dry your hair. It's nothing like that. So as I say, it's just basically just to soften the hair, and it also helps for the braids to last longer. So because when the hair is blow dry,
It's a stretched out texture.
yes, it stretch out the hair. So the natural hair, more natural hair climbs through. You know, the braids tend to last longer.
Okay.
You know,
Alright, that works for me.
yeah.
So after she blew up my hair, she did some parting. I tend to go for a center part, which she obliged, and from there she started to braid.
I'm a person, you know, everybody like have some people, you're walking down the street, you watch somebody pants, they like pants, you want somebody handbag. I'm always watching somebody stretch the lower part of my hair to see how long my hair is, and just touch it on my. What? How is my hair like touching my bra? What the hell?
So, how are we looking on the back?
Yeah, we look great, look paid and stuff.
No, not at all. It is so awesome. Like, see, the kind of pull I would get with regular braids.
Flexible at one time.
Yeah.
You know, usually with the normal knotless, they can't even go up in one time.
This is so cool. Okay, so for persons who may not have tried, or I mean, we get it, knotless braids don't have a knot at the top. Can you just show exactly how you do it?
Like free, plant your hair first. That's like 2 rotations.
Okay.
And then simply add it.
So like, how do you know when to stop adding hair?
When you reach the size you're looking at.
Okay, okay.
2 hours later.
So we are moussing my hair, right? And what is the purpose of this?
Just, you know, neatness. Get rid of some of the flyaways on top. You know?
Yeah, because truthfully, I've never
Get your hair
moussed Hey guys, so it has been a little over 12 hours. I wanted to come on and show you all the braids. Now I slept with it up to tell you how awesome or how amazing knotless braids are. And I say that like if I wear them all the time, this is my first time. But to tell you how awesome they are, the fact that I alone could have slept with my hair in a bun, like that just tells you how amazing it is in terms of the tension on your scalp. Like I literally just had my hair wrapped up in a bun to sleep under my bonnet, and I just let it down for you guys to see it now. So we use the color 1B350 mix, which I love these kind of copper tones. It is waist length almost down to my butt. I'm short, so that's not long. But I really just want to talk about Passion, and not only is she very skilled, talented, as you can see for yourself, but she's professional, she's warm, she's friendly, she's silly, she is just overall like a really awesome person. And I would definitely go back by her to do not just these type of braids, but any other braids going forward, really and truly. And one thing I want to note is that, so she has an edge control, and I've heard a lot of people review about her edge control, and I know a lot of people, you know, are into edge control and stuff, but I've heard quite a few people talk about her. So the next plan at some point in time in the future is to get an edge control from her and try it out. She's located on the Eastern Main Road in Pittsburgh, Saint-Laurent. I will put the link to her socials down below. In terms of like how much hair we use, because this is like medium size, we used I think about 4 packs, but my hair is on the finer side, so of course if your hair is thicker you're gonna use more. If you want longer length, you're gonna use more as well. Y'all, I am really loving these braids, and I don't do long braids, but I'm sold. I am sold. So that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop a comment as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.